I'm actually kind of impressed. I always took you for a weird screw up like your father. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that house is full of screw. You know, I guess you shouldn't really be surprised. A bunch of screw ups in your family. I mean, your mom